right. Shalom, shalom. What's going on, people? How you doing? Welcome. Welcome, people. Welcome, 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 welcome. I'm back stateside.
Yo, Lando. Prime Time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom. Lifestyle tracking. Jamaica running.
I had to make this video because we have a lot of new family members, right? And my new family members, we're going to call you cousins. I got that from my daughter. My daughter used to say that. We're cousins. We're all family, right? Cousins. I dropped a lot of Jamaica videos recently, and I know that you guys like that. A lot of new family members came in, so with that being said, I might as well introduce myself. Mr. Primetime himself, the one and only. You know him already. Prime Time Lando. That's me. Yeah. Real name of Lando. Little history on who I am. Born Jamaican. Born Jamaican. Yeah, it might not sound like it, but born Jamaican. Right? I left Jamaica age 9. Came to the States. Someone say, age 9? A boy down a Jamaican. Yeah, a Jamaican. Age 9. But also got sent back to Jamaica end of grade 6. Yeah, you know back in the, they always talk about them pitting, them bad pitting, they will get sent back to Jamaica.
Real bad man.
I wasn't bad at all though. I was just misunderstood. So yeah, I was one of those kids that got sent back. And everybody of course me say, you can't believe the boy get the opportunity and the boy ruined it. But I'm gonna be honest with you. That's how I know I was different. My body belongs to Jamaica. I was enjoying myself. I didn't even get everybody was like, you don't want to go back to America. I was like, no. I really didn't. I was enjoying myself. Freedom. Jamaica is ultimate freedom. Right? So I got sent back to Jamaica grade 6. I came back. I only stayed like a half a year. Came back 7th grade, end of 7th grade. Something like that. So, yeah, that's me. Born Jamaican. I've been in America forever. Served in the military. Yes. Served in the military. Did little run-ins, you know? Married almost 10 years. So, married my lady. Sorry. I know. I'm sorry. Sorry, you can't have me. Married. Yeah. My wife and I have been married for a while. Devoted believers. That's one of the most important thing. We're believers, right? So you won't hear certain things on my channel. You won't hear if a little cuss word slipping, not from me, or you hear it. I probably try to bleep it out, but it happens. Humans, we're humans. So yeah, devoted believers for sure. We're believers of the Most High. What are your channel about, Landon? What is your channel about? I'm glad you asked. Here we go. My channel, Primetime Lando. Primetime Lando is some would say a serial entrepreneur. Starting off business, learn a lot of lessons. Say that again. Learned a lot of lessons. I've started a few different businesses. I had a vending machine business. I had a salon. What else I had? Trucking business, clothing line. Primetime Lando, Shalom Shalom. Right there. Speaking of Shalom, let me explain my Shalom. As I start every video, you notice I always say Shalom Shalom. Even if you're new, go watch the videos. I start out everything with saying Shalom Shalom. What does Shalom mean, Lando? I'm glad you asked. Shalom. Shalom is the word itself is Hebrew. The meaning, right, is ultimate peace. Overall peace. Right? Peace. Shalom means peace. It's Hebrew. Right? I had a Jewish gentleman told me when you say shalom, shalom, you usually say it when you enter a building or enter somewhere or leave somewhere. So it's pretty much like saying shalom, shalom, peace be with you. Peace be with you when you're leaving. Peace be with you when you come. Y'all come in peace, you know. So shalom, shalom, my peoples. Shalom, shalom. So that's why I say that. But yeah, back to focus. Back to my channel. My channel is all about me. What a surprise. My lifestyle. Who am I? What is going on here? Hold on. Dolphins today. I'm 40 year this year. No. Yeah. Who am I? Okay, you acting up. Who am I? I love food. I love Jamaica. I love food. I love Jamaica. I like to work out a little bit. So pretty much you're going to see my lifestyle, my family life. You see a lot of Jamaican videos because I'm one of those people who believe in Jamaica still. You know, it's a lot of us that no longer believe in Jamaica. I still believe in Jamaica. So I'm more in my community, right? I support other businesses also overall, but Jamaica. So you might see a lot of different Jamaican business I'm pushing. It might not always be about food, but I love food. So you're going to see me at other different restaurants too. I'm in South Florida, so you're going to see a lot of South Florida restaurants. And if you know anything about South Florida, that's like Jamaica away from Jamaica. I'm not only visiting Jamaican restaurants. I like food, so I'm going to eat food. But you might see me in Jamaica every other month too because I love Jamaica. I love my island. I told you when I got sent back, I didn't want to come back. So from then, I knew Jamaica my place. All right? So you're going to see a lot of that. A lot of Jamaican video, a lot of food video. I'm also a truck driver too still. So you might see a little bit of trucking. But for the most part, I'm going to be dropping gems on Jamaica. How beautiful Jamaica is, because I'm one of those people who still believe that Jamaica is beautiful, who still believe in Jamaica, right? Let's go, Jamaica. So that's my channel overall. Yeah, that's my channel. But you have any questions for me, cousins? Because of them. Yeah, man, I'm a family them, man. Yeah. If you have any questions for me, drop down in the comments. I answer. I talk back. I'm not that big yet. And even when I'm big, I'm still going to answer. I answer questions. So reach out to me, man. I'm one of those people that want to stay connected with the family members, right? I love family. Family is one of the most important things to me. So we're going to stay close. Talk to me in the comments. I got you. You know what I mean? And welcome all my new family members. Welcome to the gang. You know, that's what it is. But don't be surprised if you see me in Jamaica again. I love Jamaica. I really do. I'm definitely going to move back to Jamaica. It's in the works. It's in the works. It's in the works. I'm going to put Jamaica on the map. It's not what I'm going to change the narrative. It's not what everybody thinks. Yes, there's crime there, but it's crime everywhere. And the crime not as bad as they make it seem either. But either way, guys, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. You know, it's your boy Lando. I am the man, though. I'm out. Hello.